Well, I had a project over in the area of Pike Road, and when I was driving by, I saw that there was a football game going on at the high school, so I thought I would stop and do a little video of the Pike Road High School. The beautiful day today. Anyway, this is the old Georgia Washington school out there in Mount Meigs, which is now Pike Road, Alabama, and they've redone their athletic field out there. They put artificial turf. It looks very nice. It's a far cry from when my son played out there back in the day. But it looks like they're have a great game going on there. I'm not sure what the score was or who was even playing. Just thought it would be a beautiful day, beautiful time of the day as well, to get a good picture of their campus. Pike Road has done a great job with their high school out there. All the remodeling they've done with the school itself and the athletic fields. It's great for the community out there. Real nice view of the surrounding area of the school. The church in the background, I think that's Antioch Baptist Church. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.